Welcome to Ron
and Charlene Outdoors. This is the view behind our campsite. Nobody is near us. It's perfect.
Ooh, looks like some weather is coming. Might be a wet night tonight. And here we are at Cypress Lake, Bruce Peninsula National Park.
Our little hiker. Oh, she sees a bird. We're all in trouble. Mesa's first time exploring with water. Cypress Lake.
So we had to hit up a pet store today in Ferndale, Ontario. It's south of Tobermory. Nice little pet store. It was really cool, but it got a little chilly here. Yesterday was like 80 degrees. Today the high is like 59, and overnight it's supposed to be 46. Mesa was shaking. German Shorthairs don't do well under 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So we got our little jacket. We got another one. They were both half off. The second one's a little bit bigger, so when she outgrows this one, she could start using the other one. But Mesa's a little chilly today. Mesa, say hi to the world. And here's an item we don't use a whole lot. We've talked about it a little bit, but this is our Coleman oven. It sits on top of the Coleman camp stove. We've done lasagnas, nachos. Right now we bought just some frozen spring rolls, vegetarian spring rolls, and we're cooking those in there right now. It gets to 350, 400 degrees. It gets pretty hot, actually.
Jalapeno poppers.
Yeah, we've done jalapeno poppers, muffins, cinnamon rolls, all kinds of stuff in here. But just wanted to show you our little Coleman oven. Handy little tool. Okay, here's these cute little lamps we got from Amazon. They're solar rechargeable, and you can plug them in, I think it's USB-C. It's a little spotlight. You can shine it over this way a bit so you can see all your stuff at night. And then you could pull it open and set it on a table, and it acts as a little lantern.
Different settings on.
You got a high setting, and then I think the third one is like an SOS setting. It's 3 flashes, but cute little lights.
2 of them.
Like I said, solar and USB-C. If you're driving around, you can plug them into your 12 volt. Hope you can see that. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to follow us.